whispers in the shadows. In the heart of Ravenswood, a town ensnared by ancient woods and forgotten secrets, stood Granger Manor, a time-worn relic steeped in mystery. The air surrounding it held whispers of a haunting past, a past that had long eluded the curious eyes of the townsfolk. However, for Sarah Grayson, an ambitious journalist with an insatiable appetite for the supernatural, the allure of Granger Manor was too compelling to resist. On a moonlit night, with a camera slung over her shoulder and a notepad in hand, Sarah ventured into the heart of the forsaken estate. The gates groaned as she pushed them open, their rusty hinges protesting the intrusion. A chill ran down her spine as the manor loomed ahead, a shadowy silhouette against the backdrop of the full moon. The courtyard, overgrown with weeds, seemed to exhale a quiet sigh as Sarah's footsteps echoed through the desolation. Yet, her determination outweighed the eerie ambience, propelling her forward through the grand entrance. The door, burdened by years of neglect, creaked open, granting passage into a realm frozen in time. Sarah's steps reverberated through the dilapidated halls as she explored the interior. Dust danced in the moonbeams that filtered through cracked windows, creating an otherworldly ballet. The silence was thick, interrupted only by the occasional gusts of wind that whispered through the skeletal branches of the surrounding woods. Drawn by an inexplicable force, Sarah ascended a grand staircase that led to a corridor adorned with portraits, the ancestral lineage of the Granger family. The eyes of long-dead patriarchs and matriarchs seemed to follow her every move, their gazes penetrating her very soul. An invisible hand guided her to the master bedroom, the epicenter of the ghostly tales that had plagued Ravenswood for generations. As the door swung open, revealing the room frozen in time, Sarah was greeted by the spectral figure of Isabella Granger, a bride forever bound by the tragedy of her past. Isabella, clad in a tattered wedding gown, stood beside an ancient canopy bed, her hollow eyes fixed on Sarah. Though fear coursed through her veins, Sarah felt an inexplicable connection with the ghostly apparition. Isabella's ethereal hand pointed to a hidden compartment in the bedpost, revealing a bundle of letters tied with a faded ribbon. With trepidation, Sarah began to unravel the threads of history woven within the parchment. Each letter unveiled a tale of forbidden love, family betrayal, and a curse that had cast a shadow over the Granger lineage. In the silence of that haunted chamber, Isabella's ghostly presence guided Sarah through the tragic narratives of generations past. The letter spoke of a hidden chamber within the manor, a chamber that held the key to unraveling the ancient curse. With every revelation, the journalist found herself entangled in a tapestry of emotions, sharing the burden of the Granger family's sorrow. Emboldened by the spirits that sought solace in her presence, Sarah vowed to uncover the truth. Isabella's ghost, no longer a harbinger of fear, became a guiding light, leading Sarah through hidden passages, forgotten chambers, and the echoes of long-lost laughter that lingered within the walls of Granger Manor. As Sarah delved deeper into the secrets of the manor, she discovered a web of intrigue that spanned centuries. Forbidden romances, family betrayals, and a prophecy foretelling the breaking of the curse intertwined to form a complex tapestry of sorrow. The ghostly Isabella, once a victim of circumstance, now found comfort in the living journalist who dared to uncover the long-buried truths. The journey through time was not without peril. As Sarah and Isabella navigated the labyrinthine corridors of history, they encountered spectral echoes of the past, echoes that both guided and challenged their quest for redemption. Together, they faced the lingering shadows that clung to the Granger legacy, determined to rewrite the narrative that had bound the family to a tragic fate. Through forgotten diaries, hidden artifacts, and the unraveling threads of time, Sarah and Isabella sought the key to the hidden chamber. With each revelation, the veil between the living and the dead grew thinner, blurring the boundaries of reality. The journalist became a conduit between worlds, bridging the gap between the present and the echoes of yesteryears. In a climactic moment, deep within the bowels of Granger Manor, Sarah and Isabella confronted the ancient curse that had shackled the family for centuries. The key, a relic imbued with the power of love and sacrifice, revealed itself in the final act of the haunting drama. As the curse unraveled, the specters of the past found release, their ethereal forms dissipating into the cosmic tapestry of time. With the curse broken, Ravenswood, once ensnared in the shadows of its own history, began to awaken to a new dawn. The manor, no longer haunted by the ghosts of its past, stood as a testament to the resilience of love and the power of redemption. Sarah, forever changed by the journey, emerged from Granger Manor with a newfound understanding of the delicate dance between time and destiny. As the first rays of dawn illuminated Ravenswood, Sarah looked back at the manor, a silent witness to the echoes that had resonated within its walls. The town, once shrouded in mystery, now bore the scars and triumphs of a history rewritten. The shadows had yielded to the light, and the whispers that once haunted the town had transformed into a symphony of resilience and hope. As Sarah walked away from Granger Manor, the echoes of the past faded into the embrace of a new day. The story, once trapped in the shadows, now stood as a testament to the enduring power of uncovering the untold, rewriting destinies, and embracing the whispers that linger in the forgotten corners of time.